Hey, what's up, super lovers and DIYers alike? Today I'm going to be trying out a new product. It's called Blue Devil. It's a power steering stop leak that actually advertises that it's a permanent fix. I tried another one, Rizlone, and it just slowed my leak down. Just replaced the rack, and I still got a leak in my new rack, which is from my parts car, so that's terribly unfortunate. Trying to avoid going through the trouble to redo it again, so I'm going to use this. So the way that it says to do is you're going to use 1/3 of this bottle in your reservoir. Don't overfill it, and you're going to add it cold and then drive it for 2 hours. If the leak persists, then you add more until the leak essentially stops. I'm a little skeptical on this product, but it was expensive and it was the only one left, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. So already I'm super skeptical because this product seems to be very thin. So you can see on my dipstick there, I'm at my low part, so I'm gonna add 1/3 of a bottle. Just there. And then it instructs you to start the car and drive it for 2 or 3 hours. So I will do that, and I'm at the top of the cold line on the dipstick, so I'll get back to you when it does its magic, hopefully. So we're about 3 days into the Blue Devil power steering stop leak, and it appears to have worked. So I am not losing any more fluid anymore. The pump seems to be acting smooth, same with the rack. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with the Blue Devil. The Rizlone stop leak that I used before, it did work as well. It just didn't seal up the leak. Now with the Blue Devil, it's not going to fix any pinholes or anything in your power steering lines. It's only going to work on seals and whatever else might be in there that's not punctured or anything. So it's not going to fix a hole, it's not going to fix a puncture, but it will plump up seals or some sort of magic in there. So all in all, I'm very pleased. If I notice that it's not working again, then I will post another video stating what happened and that it doesn't work. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll be posting more content in the future.